Lasing na si Parang Tay. Hindi na bumabangon. Ayan.
Bachelor, nasansangan.
But I wish to be an engineer. Let me get that deep.
Next time. Tagal! Pare, nasa inyo pala eh. Boss.
Speak to me in English.
Come on, let's drunk.
Let's get drunk, bitch!
Naka-pastel ka.
Come on, let's drunk eh. Come on, let's drunk.
Utang, inuwas
Video.
exam. Bilis mo ah, pastels ka.
Video?
Yan naman siya sa humor. Bakit ang parehin mo? Kasi sabi siya eh. Paano na kung wala pa siya sa humor? Sana mapupunta. Ang nagkakabil siya eh. Kaya na nga, labas na nga tayo. Kung ako lang nanalo.
Bakit? Wala tayong budget, bakit?
Kung nanalo lang ako kagabi, di nakalabas na tayo.
Sino manalo kagabi, bakit?
Video.
Tangang video.
Dalawa.
Sobrang dami na nga
Video?
pinainom niya.
Oo. Eh, ako iba.
Kaya ikaw nanalo?
Take it.
Kunyari, nanalo ko na lang.
Bakit? Ha? 2011 na, nagbago ka na?
O, syempre. Take it.
Lasing na si Parang Tay. Lasing.
English, man. You know what to do.
You know what you do?
You know what you do?
What are you laughing for?
Sarap. Sarap.
Sarap, DJ.
Wash money.
What?
Wash money.
What are you laughing for?
What? Wash money.
Holy shit.
Holy.
Is that what you trying to say?
Again?
Is that what you can say?
Hoy, bakit? Bakit? What are you laughing for?
Why?
Akala ko pa naman para yung sabi, wash money. Said?
You mean say? What you say?
No.
Holy shit. Fuck you.
God damn it.
Oh, thanks. God bless.
God damn it.
You're son of a bitch.
Also you, bitch.
Thanks.